Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we'll be discussing about Hacker Earth Recruitment Drive 2021 or Hacker Earth of Campus Drive 2021. So right now Hacker Earth is hiring for software development engineer testing intern. So it is for the intern position or the internship. So the job location they are hiring for Bangalore. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates or the later hiring updates and the interview preparation videos or the guides. So here you can check our latest videos regarding latest off campus, especially for the geek and the Amazon, Mintra, Intel, Cognizant and Deloitte. So I'm requesting all of you to watch our latest videos especially so that you'll be able to know about the latest off campus and the other hiring criteria or the other things, and apply for the job roles by simply clicking on the links that we have provided in the description of each videos. So please watch these videos. I'll be putting these videos links in the description of this video so that you'll be able to watch our videos and know about the eligibility and the last date to apply for the job roles. So now let's discuss. So here they are hiring for the Bangalore location and they are hiring for the QA team or the quality assurance team, and it's a full-time employment. So after completing the internship or the training, you will become the permanent employee as per your performance or as per your you can say the internship performance. So the salary will be getting 40 to 50 thousand per month during this internship. So it's a 3 to 6 months of internship period. So if you are doing very well, within after 3 months, they will make you the permanent employee or the full-time employment. You will be getting the opportunity. And if you are not that much good, doing not that much good, then the internship period may get extended to up to 6 months. So after 6 months, you will become the permanent employee. So now let's discuss about the roles and responsibilities. Execute the automated testing or the automation testing required to test the application framework, upgrade, explore, and learn the current framework and architecture. Work with the problems of the scale, employ the technologies that are distributed in nature, design and develop the test scenarios that accurately grade the product quality and deliver the testing results back to the project team and the business. So these are the roles and responsibilities. So now let's discuss about the most important thing, because if you are not eligible for this job role and if you are applying for the job role or the job profile, then later your profile simply will get rejected. So please watch this part carefully. We'll be discussing about the skills required or qualification, etc. So skills required, these are the skills required. So they have not specified any background or badge here. That means all the year of pass out candidates like mechanical, civil, electrical branch candidates and the year of pass out, that means 2019, 2018, 2020, 21, all are eligible for this job role. And you must have experience starting from 0 to 1 years, because they are hiring for the intern position. So you must not have experience more than 1 year. So if you have more than 1 year of experience, then you will be counted as a full-time employee, or you can say as a experienced professional. So you must have experience starting from 0 to 1 year. So now let's discuss what the skills required. General software development skills, understanding of modern web technologies, exposure to and familiar with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, automated testing, hands-on experience with programming languages like Python, Java, R, etc. So it is not mandatory that you know all the programming languages like Python, Java, or C. You must be knowing either Python or Java, but you must be good at all these things. Then obsession with quality and customer experience, attention to the details coupled with the ability to think abstractly, obsession with the quality and customer experience, attention to the details coupled with the ability to think abstractly. So these are the skills required. Especially you must have some general software development skills or the SDLC lifecycle knowledge, and the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the automation testing. No manual skill is not required here. You must be knowing the automation testing knowledge or skills. Then hands-on experience with Python or Java. So these are the basic required skills here. Any background candidates can apply for this job role, and any qualification like BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, or you can say MTech, etc. All are eligible for this job role. But these skills must be having, and uh, you can say the percentage criteria 60% minimum. So now let's move to the application process. So if you're interested for this job role, you can, two options are there: apply with indeed.com or Indeed profile like Naukri.com. It's a Indeed is a job portal, you can say. Otherwise you can simply click on the apply. So I would suggest you to click on the apply button here. So after that you will be able to apply for this job role. This is the application form. So first of all you need to put your first name, last name, then email address you need to put, then phone number, then you need to attach your updated resume, then click on the submit button here, submit application here. So hardly it will be taking 15 to 20 seconds to apply for this job role. So I'm requesting all of you to apply for this job role before it expires. So later you may face see the error like the job is expired. So I'm requesting all of you to apply for this job role as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.